Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to tell you how you can create your own contact us form in Blogger. Here, you can use form service of Google to add its form in your own Blogger website, because you know that Blogger form is not compatible. It is not like you can scroll. Means it is not suitable for a website. So I am going to tell you a simple way to add Google form in your website. So what you have to do, search for Google Forms. Okay, so you are watching this so guys, over I was going to the website, but I remember that I have app installed on my phone. So you are watching this one forms app. I am opening this, and you can also install, because using app for this task is really com- for comfortable. So you can use this app. So you're watching, I have created here some forms on my website, like contact us form. So now I'm going to tell you how you can do this. Simply you have to log in and click on Google Forms. Here you can click on plus icon, and you can choose here the template for creating your contact us form, or you are creating any other form. Then you can choose template for your whatever you are going to create. So I am adding here create blank form, because it is a good way to create easily any form. So here you have to type the form name, like contact us. Okay, so next you have to add your entries, like here plus, click on plus if you are adding for short answer. Then you can click on short answer. There are so many options to choose, but we are going to create contact us, so simply name. Okay, uh, you can also click here on required if it is mandatory. Second, you have to click on uh, long short answer again, like email address, or you can choose last name. Last name. Okay, so this one is also required. Next is um, email address. Email address, this one is also required, because when you are creating contact form, these things are necessary to be filled. Next is description, or any message, like you can type message. Okay, so this is long, so uh, the person who is going to contact could write anything here, like message. So this is now the form is complete. If you want any other entries, then you can add definitely. So now click on, so guys, next click on submit. If you want to collect the email address of the pupil who contact you, then you can select this first one, and all the options, like whatever you want you can add before submitting. There is also option after submitting, you can also change settings. So now I am clicking on submit. So guys, your form is now created, and you have to copy the link. You can also preview the form if you want by clicking on view form. So now what you have to do is you have to embed this form on your website, and whatever response you will get through this form will be collected in this app. um, you will find your form, like this is contact us. Okay, so you will find all responses in under view responses section. There are also many other options I will show you later, but first we are going to embed this form in our website. So what I need to do, I will go, before going to our website I will use one service, because I have to convert this link in the form. So I will click here on iframe generator. Yes, iframe generator. Okay, so iframe generator, and simply I am going to click here the URL, generate, and copy. So now I'm going to add this on my website. This is my blog. This is the all of my blogs, and I'm going to add this on this website. Taking tips. Now, because I want contact us page on my website, so I'm not going to create anything else, just only page. Okay, so don't do the mistake of adding this in any post. You have to add it in pages. So simply create new page, and sorry, before going to the new page, I have already created here contact us page. So I am going to check here the width and the height of the page, because we have to adjust it while embedding on my website. So not this one, sorry. uh, yeah, this one. Okay, so the height is 820, and margin top is 200, width it is 640, 820 640. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to copy that content from iframe generator and paste here. Okay, so now height, width is 640, height is 820, okay. And the next thing is I am going to add here margin top. Okay, so margin top. uh, this is actually, guys, HTML format, so I'm going to add it in HTML language, like margin top equal, is you watching are all entries. So here minus 200 px and this. So now you're watching, this is now complete. Okay, so this is now I'm going to view it. So click on this view format. So you're watching, the form is created here, let's publish it, and I show you how we can how the people can fill all entries and contact us. So name is contact us, publish. Now I am going to view it. This is showing preview because I have actually watched on the post. I am going to view it like this, and it will become in the original view mode. So this is, guys, you are watching on the screen. This is the contact form. This is the working contact form, and I am going to contact here just for testing it, like name, Krishi, Name, last name Verma. Email address is uh, anything like uh, kirtihela at gmail.com. Message hi, like anything. You, if you contact any website owner, there may be any reasons like you are looking for promoting your content, you are looking for help. So you can like, hi, I need your help. Okay, please response. So let's check, submit it now and check it. I have received this form or not. So you're watching. The response has been recorded, and next I am going back to the Google Form app. So this was the form, and you're watching the view responses, and here is one response is available here that I think I posted because I've just edited the page. So this is my response definitely. mm. So individually we are watching 53 p.m. Rishi Verma, and this is the message. So in this way you can get all the message, all responses through your form. So guys, I hope you have learned how to add contact us form in your blog or website. So if you did not get it yet, you can watch this video again and again. So I will meet in my next video with some other information. Till then, bye bye, take care, and if you liked my channel then please subscribe. Okay, bye bye.